So we're going to solve linear equation exercise 1 to 5, okay, or 4 I think. Let me see. They're all the same. So just select the range. What am I doing? Yeah. So yeah, select scatter, go on the point, right click, add trend line, click on these two, and you're done. Okay. Now do the same for the others. All are the same. Insert, scatter, dump, select a point, right click, add red line, dum, and it's done. Next is the same, and the last one also is the same. Okay, so just insert, scatter, right click on a point, add trend line, duck, dum. Then next last, come on, insert, add trend, no, add scatter, then right click, add trend line, tuck. I guess you're done with 4. Fifth one is the same. The fifth one is different. Okay, that's about it.